This time I'm going to inform you about how you can find your P drive, H drive, or R drive. I know it's good that when we save things, we don't really want to save them to our desktop, because if your computer crashes, then you will lose all this information. So to keep things safe, I'll show you where the P drive is, or your H drive. So you can either come to this folder and find things. There's your H drive here on the left side, P drive and R drive. Or if you do not want to click on the folder, you do not have that on your screen, you can come to the Windows Start button, click on Computer, and then as you see, there is your H drive. Mine has my name, yours should have your name there. Your P drive, and it says GES because it's our school information, and our R drive. Your H drive is everything that you have created. As you can see, I've created my own files and things to save, and that's where all of your information will go. The P drive, where you usually hear people say you can find the policy manual on the P drive, that is here. And a lot of things that we do here at Guyton are found in the faculty projects. So I'm going to click on it. And then the most used is the policy manual. So I'm just going to scroll down and show you. You can go to Policy Manual 2018-19, and it has all of our current information here. Then some people may wonder what the R drive is. I'm going to click on it just to show you. It's the district's information, and a lot of times you can't save things to the R drive, but you can use it to find information. But I just want to show you, like reading recovery, I do not have access, so some things you will not have access to. But like this technology, I can click in here and it has tons of things that the technology department has saved for you to look at. So this is just the different ways to save things besides going to your Google Drive. I hope this helped. Thank you.